Hello students, this is chapter 1 number systems MCQs from question number 26. The simplest form of 1.6 bar is. The question number 26, 27, 28 and 29 are same type and we will know the short method of this question also. First we know the standard method which you can do for the long questions, but for objective questions you can use short method. So both method we will learn in this section. Now 26, 1.6 bar. Suppose this is x is equal to 1.6 bar. Here only one digit having bar, so we will multiply it by 10 in both side. So 10x is equal to, when you multiply this by 10, so our decimal will shift right to one digit, so it becomes 1.6 and this decimal shift here, so you can write it. First I will show what is this 1.6666 etc. and so on, and this decimal will come here, so you can write it 16.666 and so on. So you can write it 10x is equal to, this decimal is shifted here, this becomes 16 and this 666 will be, you can write it 6 bar. And suppose this is equation first and this is equation second. Subtract equation second minus first. Equation second minus equation first. 10x minus x, you get 9x. This is equal to, here 16.6 bar and here 1.6 bar. So 6 bar is cancelled and 16 minus 1 you will get 15. So x is equal to 15 upon 9. This becomes 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Our option C is correct answer. We will know the short method also. So first we discuss the method which you can prefer for the long questions. The question number 27 is question number 27. First I will see the option of 26. Tick the option C. The 27, the simplest form of 0.54 bar is. Suppose x is equal to 0.54 bar and the digits, two digits are there having bar, so you will multiply it by 100 on both side, LHS and RHS also, by 100. So this becomes 100x is equal to, when you multiply this number by 100, so our decimal will be shift after two place, or you can say right of the two digits. So this becomes 54.54 bar. As I done in first question, I am not writing it for your understanding. I am showing 0.54 bar is equal to 0.545454 and so on. Now it is easy to understand. This decimal will shift to the right, so it will come here. It is coming here when you multiply it by 100. You multiply it by 100, so this will shift here. So you can write it 54.5454 means 54 bar. This is here. So this is first equation, this is second. Now subtract equation second minus first. Equation second minus equation first. So you will get 100 minus x, 99 x is equal to 54 bar will be cancelled, you will get only 54. Now x is equal to 54 upon 99, cut it by 9, 9 1 the 9, 9 1 the 9, 9 6 the 54, you will get 6 upon 11. This is our answer. So which option is correct? Option B is correct. Take option B. The simplest form of 0.32 bar is, let's solve it. Now suppose x is equal to 0.32 bar. First the first step, this decimal will shift to the right, but before the digit having bar. So it means you will multiply both sides by 10, so that this decimal will shift after 3. So you can write it 10x is equal to 3.2 bar. We must shift this decimal before the digit having bar. So here only one digit after decimal, so you will multiply by 10. So this become our equation first. Now our second step will be the digits, number of digits having bar only 1. So you will multiply again this equation by 10. So this decimal will shift one after one digit. So it becomes, when you multiply it both side by 10, so this becomes 100x, and here when you multiply by 10, so you will get it 32.2 bar. This will be second equation. All these explanation I show in my previous video of chapter 1. So for your understanding, you can watch that video again. So subtract equation second minus equation first, you will get 100 minus 10 means 90x. 90x is equal to, now you will subtract it, 0.2 bar will be cancelled, 32 minus 3, so you will get 29. Now x is equal to 29 upon 90. So our answer 29 upon 90. So which option? Option C is correct. Take the option C. Now question number 29. The simplest form of 0.123 bar is. This is our question. Suppose x is equal to 0.123 bar. Now after decimal 2 digits having not bar, so you will multiply both side by 100. So this becomes 100x is equal to, when you multiply this by 100, so this decimal will come to the right of 2 digits. So you can write it 12.3 bar. Now this is our equation first. This is our first step to solve such type of fractions. Now again the digit only, one digit only having bar, so you will multiply again it by 10. If 2 digit having bar, then you multiply it by 100. If 3 digits having bar, then you multiply by 1000. So here only one digit having bar, so again you multiply both side by 10. So this becomes 1000 x, and here when you multiply it by 10, so you will shift this decimal after one digit or to the right of one digit. So this becomes 123.3 bar. This is our second equation. Now subtract equation second minus equation second minus equation first. So you will get 1000 minus 100 means 900x is equal to, now 3 bar will be cancelled, 123 minus 12, you will get 123, 3 minus 2, 1, 2, 1, subtract 1, 1, 111. Now x is equal to 111 upon 900. Sum of the digit is 3, so cut it, or simplest form of it, 3, 3s are 9, 10, 11, 2 and 1, 3 7s are 21. Now 3 3s are 9, 00. See all the options. Now in 4 options there is 37 upon 330, not 300. So don't be confused about B option. Here none of these will be the correct option. So take the D. Now learn the short method of this question, 26, 27, 28, 29. For objective question this is very useful. Here this is whole number, so you can write it 1 plus 0.6 bar. Now this becomes 1 plus, here after decimal no digit, so only 6 bar, so you can write the digits which is after decimal, only 6 is there, and subtract the digit which having no bar after decimal. So here no digit after decimal and without bar, so you subtract 0, and in denominator here only single digit having bar, so how much digit having bar, as you write 9, if 2 digit having bar, so you can write 9 9, if 3 digit having bar, so you write 9 9 9, only single digit, so write 9 here. Now this becomes 1 plus 6 upon 9, and take LCM, 9 plus 6, 15 upon 9, and simplify it, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, this becomes 5 upon 3. This is our answer. Now second, it will be more clear to you when you do the second part. Here after decimal no such digit without bar, so you write the number which is after the digits which are after decimal, only 54 is there, so write it, minus, subtract, here no digit without having bar after decimal, so means you subtract only 0, and in denominator only 2 digit having bar, so write 9 9. Now 54 minus 0, 54 upon 99, now cut it, 9 1 the 9, 9 1 the 9, 9 6 the 54, 6 upon 11. Come to the next part to make it more clear. This is 0.32 bar, you can write, first you write the number as it is after decimal, means 3 digits are there, so 2 digits means 32, so write the number as it is 32, and subtract that digit which having no bar but after decimal, so here 3, so subtract 3, and upon, in denominator only 1 digit having bar, so you can write 9 at a time, and only single digit which having no bar after decimal, so you write 0. Means first you make places, here after decimal 2 places, So put 9 for watching the digits having bar, only one digit having bar, so write only 1 time 9. If 2 digit having bar, 2 time 9. If 3 digit having bar, so 3 times 9, 9, 9, 9. And zeros after the 9, only single digit having no bar, so write down 0 single time. If 2 digit without bar after decimal, so 2 0. So this is the short method. Subtract 32 minus 3 means 29 upon 90. Next, I think this will be to make you clear very effectively. So watch here very carefully. Here after decimal 3 digits. So that number write as it is 123. Now subtract that number which having no bar means 12. Subtract it. And in denominator, here 3 digits, so first you mark 3 places because no mistake should be there. Now you mark 3 places, and how many times you will write here 9? Because single digit having bar, so only one time you write 9, and 2 digits having no bar, so put 2 zeros. So this will be 900. Now solve it. Subtract, you will get 111 upon 900. Now 3 3s are 9, 10, 11, 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9, 00. This is the answer. This will take time by me, but when you know all these concepts, you will do very fast. You can do very fastly. So for this method you can use in the objective questions to save your time. See the question number 30, an irrational number between 5 and 6. 31, an irrational number between under root 2 and under root 3 is. An irrational number between 1 upon 7 and 2 upon 7. So in 3 questions, 31, 30, 31 and 32, asking an irrational number between 2 numbers. So here we use a formula, an irrational number between 2 numbers. If a and b are 2 numbers, then an irrational number between 2 numbers is equal to under root ab. So see the question number 30. Here 5 and 6 are 2 numbers. So irrational number is equal to under root 5 into 6. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. 31, an irrational number between under root 2 and under root 3 means under root AB. So under root 2 into under root 3 is equal to under root 6. Here under root 6, square root of under root 6. See carefully, these are already in under root. So here a is equal to under root 2 and b is equal to under root 3. So an irrational number between these two numbers is equal to under root of a is under root 2. So write down under root 2 and under root 3, under root 3. So this becomes under root of under root 6, or you can write it, this is 6 to the power of 1 by 2, and here again 1 by 2. So this becomes 6 to the power of 1 by 4. Option D is correct. Next, see this carefully. An irrational number between 1 upon 7 and 2 upon 7. Here these are not in under root. So here in this question, don't be confused from the before in the question given under root 2 and under root 3. Here these numbers are without under root. So the irrational number between these two numbers will be under root 1 upon 7 into 2 upon 7. Option C is correct. Now question number 33. The sum of 0.3 bar and 0.4 bar. We will use shortcut method. 0.3 bar means here write 3 minus 0 means after decimal no digit having bar. So here you subtract 0, so you can write it 3, and only one digit having bar upon 9 in denominator, and sum, so put the plus sign, you can write it 4 upon 9, this becomes 7 upon 9. Option B is correct. Because multiple choice question you can use short method, and you should know both method. Now question number 34. The value of 2.45 bar plus 0.36 bar. We will use shortcut method for multiple choice question. See the solution. Here 2.45 bar. So break it, 2 plus 0.45 bar plus 0.36 bar. Now this becomes 2 plus after decimal this number write as it is 45, and subtract the digits which are after decimal. So here and without having bar, no digit without having bar after decimal, so subtract 0 means nothing to be subtracted, so write it 45 upon, and 2 digits having bar, so write 9 plus this becomes 36 number as it is after decimal, minus 0 means nothing you have to subtract here, upon, because 2 digit having bar 99. So no 0 will be after 99, because no after decimal no digit without having bar, so don't write here 0. Now solve it. First it will cut from 9, 9 1 the 9, 9 1 the 9, 9 5 the 45, 9 1 the 9, 9 1 the 9, 9 4 the 36. You can write it 2 plus 5 upon 11 plus 4 upon 11, and easily solve. 5 plus 4, you can write it 5 plus 4 9 upon 11, this becomes 11 to the 22 plus 9 upon 11. Now this becomes 1 and 3, 31 upon 11. Answer. So our option C is correct. Tick the option C. Now second method of question number 34, and the short method will be used for competitive purpose only. So this is the question. You will add these two fractions in decimal form. Suppose this is x, 2.45 bar plus 0.36 bar is y. So first you find out the value of 2.45 bar. So x is equal to 2.45 bar. Now how much this will be multiplied? You can multiply this by 100, because 2 digits having bar, so this becomes 100x is equal to, the decimal will be shift after 2 digits, so this becomes 245.45 bar. This is equation first and this is second equation. Subtract equation second minus equation first. 100 minus x, we will get 99x is equal to 0.45 bar will be cancelled and 245 minus 2. So you will get 243. Now write it, x is equal to 243 upon 99. Now simplest form, simplify it. 9 1 the 9, 9 1 the 9, 9 2 the 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 6. 9 1 the 9, 9 1 the 9, 9 2 the 18, remainder will be 6, 9 7 the 63. This you will get 27 upon 11 x. Similarly, you find out y. For y is equal to 0.36 bar. Now because two digits having bar, so multiply both side by 100. So 100 y is equal to, this decimal will shift after two digit, so you can write it 36.36 bar. This is equation first and equation second. Same here, equation second minus first, you will get 99 y is equal to 0.36 bar will be cancelled, you get 36. Y is equal to 36 upon 99. Now simplify it, 9 1 the 9, 9 1 the 9, 9 4 the 36, 4 upon 11. Now we have to find out the value of x plus y. So put the x plus y. X plus y is equal to, x means 27 upon 11 plus y means 4 upon 11. You will get 31 upon 11. Answer. This is also very easy method. You can use any one by your choice. So if any confusion, so you can remind the video again and learn both method.